It may be intimidating to apply for unskilled professions, especially for most immigrants who are looking to move to Canada. We are really concerned about the desire and zeal that most of you have combined with the intention of immigrating to Canada in order to live and work there. But how exactly do you do that? Your likelihood of immigrating to the Canada of your dreams is increased if you first secure a job. There are now over 300,000 job openings in Canada. This is the motivation behind the introduction of this film, which demonstrates the quickest and simplest way to obtain unskilled employment, typically with little to no experience and minimal education. Some of you keep doubting your ability to get a job in Canada as quickly as is claimed. Not to worry. This video will walk you through the application process step by step so you may get the job of your dreams in Canada. This video aims to provide all the application-related information you might need. Many people are concerned about their job applications. Some people are also concerned that after applying for jobs, they have not received any reply, such as a call to schedule an interview. However, your best chance of learning more than your typical comprehension of how to apply for employment is through this. Keep watching till the very end of this video. You will learn the quickest approach to get entry-level employment in Canada that don't demand any experience and only a high school diploma or less. Despite the fact that all of our job videos on this channel are accompanied by brief clips demonstrating the application process on various job websites, we will go into more detail about how to apply for these jobs and immigrate to Canada using these straightforward approaches. Low-skilled worker immigration to Canada is simpler than you might imagine. This is due to the fact that the economy of the nation depends on both businesspeople and unskilled workers, such as general farm workers, dishwashers, chefs, cooks, laborers, supermarket employees, room attendants, truck drivers, storekeepers, and fruit pickers, in addition to businessmen. Housekeepers, factory and warehouse employees, pipefitters, and carpenters, dock cleaner, etc. They are all regarded as the cornerstone upon which major industries are built. Low-skilled jobs often fall under the categories of trade, production and manufacturing, sales and services, and some assistant roles, with yearly incomes averaging between $40,000 and $120,000 on average. Foreign skilled professionals who move to Canada as permanent residents will have the opportunity to take advantage of a number of perks, including outstanding universal healthcare access, a healthy work environment, life balance, employee insurance, and paid vacation days. To immigrate to Canada as a low-skilled worker and take advantage of the aforementioned advantages as well as many more, choose any of the jobs on the list. You've been waiting for this part, how to apply for jobs in Canada. Getting your CV ready is the first thing you should do before considering applying for a job. The standard for this CV must be Canadian. It must showcase your entire persona and be extremely beautiful. Visit one of these three websites: www.indeed.com, www.glassdoor.com, or www.jobbank.gc.ca. On these websites, you will receive daily employment updates. However, you can't just apply for these positions. The first thing to keep in mind is that not all of the positions you see on your screen are open to applicants from outside the country. By employing the strategy you have been expecting to see, you can accomplish this. We'll use the Canadian Job Bank to explain this. Job Bank websites provides free tools and services for everyone, including newcomers to Canada who are looking to immigrate there. Even if you have a disability of any type, you are almost certainly welcome to participate in the Canadian labor market. This includes foreign applicants from outside Canada, temporary foreign employees, and temporary foreign workers. Yes, let's get going. Enter the jobbank.gc.ca website. When you select the advanced option, you will be taken to a new page with additional job settings, the type of employment, remote employment opportunities, years of experience, job benefits, and the like. Maintain the procedures outlined in the education and training option. Choose the desired choice based on your level of education. But for the sake of this video, we will choose that no education required option. Mind you, if you have the right education, then you have no restriction. Similarly, do the same under years of experience, but we will use no experience for the sake of this video. And most importantly, under the intended applicants options, select the Canadians and International Candidates option. This will help you sort the jobs available for both Canadian and international workers seeking to work in Canada. There are other options for you, depending on your desired strengths and your expectation about the job. After selecting all these options, the page will load automatically. With this, you will have access to view all the jobs available in Canada without experience, education, and basically available for foreign workers. With fast processing time, you will have access to over 2,000 best jobs. The ones available for foreign nationals in Canada, ranging from kitchen helpers, carpenters, counter attendants, material handler factories, housekeeping attendants, construction laborers, waiters or waitress, tire repairs, food servers, and lots more across all provinces of Canada. Also click the Show More Results icon to see other jobs available. Provinces where you can get these jobs are available on this website and the number of job openings per province, but note that before you apply for these jobs, it is important that you check the salary package for the job, description, job summary, employment benefits, and most importantly, be sure that the job you are applying for are still valid. Mind you, with the results shown, explore the jobs and select the ones that are best pleasing to you, then apply. After submitting your application for these jobs, you will need to wait for an answer from the company. Similarly, adhere to the same process should you choose to utilize either of the other two websites. The steps to take are similar. If your application is accepted, the hiring manager will get in touch with you to set up an interview. Job applications are accepted at any time. Your chances of being chosen increase as you submit more applications. These websites will directly recommend you, making it very simple for you to apply for these positions. As a bonus for you, I'll add that applying via the company's website is the best way to immigrate to Canada as a low-skilled worker. The Temporary Foreign Worker Program allows Canadian employers to hire foreign national workers when there are not any Canadian or permanent residents available to fill the position. Your employer will be responsible for the following: applying for an L.M.I.A., paying for your airfare, providing assistance in finding suitable and affordable accommodations, and getting you registered under a provincial workplace. Other pathway through which you can apply is Provincial Nominee Program. Under this program, you can apply for any of these most popular PNPs for unskilled foreign nationals: Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program, Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, British Columbia Provincial Nominee Program, Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program, Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program, also Atlantic Immigration Pilot, next AGRI-FOOD Immigration Pilot, then the most common online visa application pathway, the Express Entry System. You can watch our video on the best immigration pathways to Canada. On Everything Abroad, we've got your back to give you every important updates to aid your immigration abroad. So I implore you to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell, and share this post with your friends and family. Other job videos are available on this channel, and it will be beneficial for you to watch these videos to get a job so as to fast-track your relocation to Canada. Thanks for watching. See you next time.